Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the tools that we're using to create your images and the tools that we use to write your description. So the first tool we are going to use is called Poster Man Wall. Poster Wall. Sorry, Poster Wall. And this is Poster Man Wall. Yeah, I was correct the first time. Poster Man Wall. So this is the link. Okay. Now you can use this to create images for your course. Even if you want to promote on social media, you can use this system too to create beautiful images or logos or banners within minutes, and it's free to use. Okay, so you just come here and you go to create a design, and then you can just type here in the search bar. Um, You can you can type, let's say, uh, course poster and enter. So you see we have online course lesson 30% discount. You can This is something you can use, edit and share on social media. Okay, so you can click on this. We have different variants here. So you can just, okay, let's look for a new one. Online learning and course, e-learning sessions. Okay, language courses, distance learning online 100%. New online course. So you can just look through and choose the one you see English courses. Okay, so let's say it's English language, you just choose this. Even if it is mathematics, you can choose it and then you just click on edit design, and then you are good to go. English language, if it is mathematics, just click on it. Uh, so let's say maths, maths for DHS2. Okay, now you can, you know, expand it, minimize, but by clicking here, dragging it up, down to increase or reduce the font. Okay, you can also hold it and then drag and keep where you want. Okay, so you can also say maybe mm, only on light feature, and you pull it up, expand it. Then you can come here and then align it to the center, and then drag it here, and then then you can put something here. Let's say course offered by maybe Mr. Anthony. Okay, you can bring it here. You can bring you can edit the website. You can make it bright, for for okay. So you can, okay, you can change this picture, or you can change this. Okay, No, we should not go here. That's advanced. We are talking about the simple ones. So this one will be okay. So very simple. You can add images. You can add your own images by clicking on the photo, add from my photos, and then you select click upload photos, and then okay, let me use this. And you can add it, or you can put it here. But since this is science, you can download the mathematics image, and then you can get something here. You save image onto your computer, and then you can delete this by right clicking on it and then going to photo, add from my, then you go to upload, you select the picture you downloaded. So it depends. You have to you know you have to choose choose the image or the template that suit your course. You understand? Okay. So this is nice. It's very simple. Mathematics for Churches truly on bright future. Course offered by Mr. Antonio Kine. Mm, you can download it. Download and you are done. Let's open it and see. And that is it. Okay. So in order to remove this logo, you need to sign in. You need to sign in. You understand? You need to create an account. Just go to poster or leave and then log in, and then you create an account. Okay. You don't have an account, sign up for free, then you create an account. So this is very simple and very easy to use. It's not difficult. You just come to the website, click on create design, search for what you are looking for. You can just type education, search, and you see images related to education. So you just follow, pick anyone you want and make edits to it. Okay. We are going to the next tool, which we will use to write the description. Okay. And the tool we are going to use is called ChatGPT. It's called ChatGPT. And here's the link. So you can just go chat.openai.com. It will ask you to sign up or log in. So if you've not created an account, you can create an account. So what we do is that after you've created an account and it opens, you just type everything you want him to do. You can just say write a 500 word description about my mathematics my mathematics course, and add the reason why students should enroll. Enter. A word description about my mathematics course and add the reason why students should enroll. Okay, and you start. Okay, and it will write everything for you. You see, so you see, it will first of all give you a preview of mathematics. Mathematics is an essential subject that is critical to understanding the world around us. From basic arithmetic to advanced calculus, mathematics play a crucial role in a vast range of fields. You understand? Then it will come here. My mathematics course is designed to teach students fundamental mathematical concepts and problem solving skills. The course covers a wide range of topics, include arithmetic, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, and calculus. So if you are not going to teach calculus, you remove it. Okay, so you just remove something and add your own. Okay, okay. And yes, one of the primary reasons why students should enroll in a mathematics course is that it provides a solid foundation in mathematics. The course starts with basic and builds upon that foundation to cover more advanced topics like calculus. So here too, you decide if you are not teaching calculus, you can edit. You see, it will give you everything. Finally, enrolling in mathematics is an excellent way to improve your academic performance. Maths is a subject that is integral. So, after it's writing for you, I gave him 500 words, so it's right. If I did not specify and I just give him write a description, it might be done by now. Okay, so you just copy this everything and then you make an edit to it. That's it. So this you can also use this not just for writing description. You can use it for your assignments. You can also use it in your project works. You can use it even in your teaching tools. If you want more explanation about something, about a course, about a topic, you can just come here and ask him and he'll give you more information, more insight about it. You can pick something from it and then add it to what you are teaching. So this is a very, very great tool for academicians. Okay. So in the next tutorial, we're going to learn how we can upload our image, our course description, and then the image we created and the course description. Thank you.